welcome back to another video. I have a couple of people that came up to me and told me to do a hair tutorial. I don't know why, but that's what they wanted to do, and I just washed it yesterday, so it's a little messy. As you guys can see, I didn't do anything to it. It's really bad, so yeah, stay tuned.
Love each day, yeah, cause I'm not promised tomorrow, no. So let me call you to tell you, yeah, that I really love you. Oh, I know that if I don't, I'll regret it. And if I don't wake up, at least I got your message. Love each day. Oh, I know that life is better if I smile with you.
So you guys, welcome back, and today I'm going to be doing a hair tutorial. I normally don't do it because my hair is, I don't know, dry, but a lot of people's like, oh, I love the way your curls are popping. Well, yesterday I washed it and I leave a little bit of conditioner on. You can use whatever conditioner you guys are using. Have a couple of things that I do to my hair before I prep it up to have the good curls. Right now my hair is wild, so it just doesn't look, you know, as I want it to look. So I'm kind of glad to make this video so you guys can see my everyday process. So yesterday I washed my hair, I left conditioner on, I moisturized my hair, I wash it out, and then I put a little bit in my hands. I leave it on in the back, I put some in the front, and I leave it in there. And if you guys don't like to leave regular conditioner on, there is products that you can use for your hair that is leave-in conditioner, but I like to use the normal conditioner when I don't have the leave-in conditioner. Most of the time, this is leave-in stuff that you can leave in your hair, and it's for growth, for it to be strong. So when I leave in the conditioner, as soon as I come out, the first thing I do, because if I don't leave in conditioner, you guys, my hair will be dry and it will be wild. Like, you know, sometimes I like it, but sometimes I don't. I put olive oil, and it's in a little tube. I grab enough and I put it in my hair, but I did that yesterday as I washed my hair. So you guys, just to let you guys know, I wasn't even thinking about doing a hair tutorial. I was like, oh my God. But everybody's like, why don't you do that? Because I get compliments on my hair all the time. I don't wake up and my hair just bling, just be like that. No, my hair be messy, very messy. So because I put oil and I put a couple of conditioner, what I do at night is I put like a bandana on. I don't really tie my hair back. I just put a bandana on, let it dry naturally when I do that. And when I take it off in the morning, this is how it looks. But it's not, you know, it's not manageable. It's still, see, poofy. It's not how I want it to be. So I'm gonna be showing you what I use. The second thing I use before I put the olive oil, I use Mega Growth. Mega Growth is something that you can put in your hair, and it's for growth. So this is one of the things that I put in there. It's called Mega Growth. You guys can buy it in any pharmacy or any dollar store around you. The thing that I do the most is I leave those two things in overnight. So I already have put all those things last night. So today, to redo my hair, because as you can see right here, it's just, ooh, look at that, guys, poofy. So we don't want the poof. I don't like the poof. I mean, I love big hair, but I don't like poofy. Like, you know, I like to leave it all even. This is what I put. This is what I put. And you guys know I don't get paid for this. So all this, I'm doing it for free, just to show you guys what I use. And I'm promoting something that I don't get paid for, but it's okay. So I grab some of my hair right here, and we're gonna be putting it on in this piece of hair. So we're gonna be doing it. Take as much as you can. And wet it. I don't put too much to where your hair will be really wet. I already put the olive oil on, and I already put the Mega Growth on. It's enough chemicals on my hair. I don't like to put too many chemicals on my hair, but this is just to make my curls pop. And I'm telling you, if you guys have the curly hair, the real curly hair, this is what you should be using. Definitely, if you have the curly hair. You know, I'm not gonna lie, I get bad hair days, I get good hair days. It all depends on you. So, I don't know about you guys, but there's always a part in your hair that's always the driest part out of your whole hair. Yeah, I got a part that's always dry. So my dry part is this part right here. For some reason, this is my dry part. This is where, so I add a little bit more just to that part. You know, to the part that's the driest the most. And this has done wonders for my hair. I mean, I love it. I love it because without that, I hated using gel on my hair for the simple fact that I used to get a lot of bad dandruff. I had switched over because I was looking for different types of gel. I really never tried it until a friend of mine told me about it. And she was like, you try to use it, it's really good. I don't use gel, I use that. Ever since, it has changed my life. It has changed my life dramatically. Because I used to dry my hair so many times in the blow dryer. I got like damage in my hair because of that. That's why I barely even dry it with a dryer. All right, so as you can see, I put a little bit. I didn't put it to where it's gonna drench because I already have put the rest of the stuff. If I don't have olive oil, another thing I love to use is, I love this. So if I don't have I like this better because this is a lot thicker than this. Let's say if I don't have that or if I run out of that, what I usually use for the tip of my hair is this. So if I use that all over the top, I make sure I moisturize and oil all my scalp, my hair, just so that it won't be dry. Because if you have curly hair like me, I have curly hair. Girls with curly hair, we all know it's always dry, and you know, because of all the washing and all the gelling and all the stuff that you put in your hair really damages your hair. So what I do to protect my hair is I put olive oil, and then in my tips, only in my tips, because this could be really oily. This could be really, really oily. So what I do is I grab some and I put it only on my tips. So I put it in my tips right here. So when I'm done with all that, I make sure I squinched, because a girl like me needs to squinch, because I got some hairs that don't want to turn curly. It's just straight. You guys, I'm not that expensive when it comes down to shampoos, but I do spend a good amount of money on my conditioner because I feel like the conditioner is the important part of, you know, of moisturizing your hair. So whatever conditioner you guys use, always upgrade to something good. Make sure you read your bottles. There's some for damaged hair. There's some to rebuild your hair. And there's even shampoos for curls as well. I have never tried it, but if I do try it, I'll do another video on that. As you guys can see, my curls are already coming together. At the beginning, it was all nasty, ugly. Together. But you guys, I'm going to be showing you the final step out of all this and how to leave your hair fresh. The last product that I use for my hair when I'm done with all those things that I showed you guys. So what I do, I spray. A lot of times, you know, you spray only in the top and then the bottom is all frizzy. So I make sure I get my bottoms. I make sure I get my tips. And what I love about this is that you only need a little bit. Just on this side, a little bit. So then with this, you can just squinch it over to the next, because it's only just for it to stay in place. This is more to stay in place. That's what I use it for. I have like the whole collection. The only thing I gotta get is like their shampoo, conditioner. That's about it, but I love this product. I love it, love it, love it. Remember I told you guys that this part of my hair right here, this part of my hair is super, super dry. Like I told you guys. So see how it's still, look at the back. This is what I'm telling you. So it's not always gonna come out perfect. My hair, trust me. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add a little bit of this for the finished touch. Just a little bit. Make sure you get the tips. All right, so I think I got enough everywhere, and that's all I need. I don't need just like 3 or 4 sprays. You can do your hair however you guys do it. It's almost done. I got a little mirror here. Look, I did my hair without looking in the mirror. I'm over here looking at my screen instead of the mirror, but I think this is it. So, that was my hair tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm gonna be leaving all those wonderful things in the description down below so you guys can check it out. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed my video. It's not gonna be a really long video, but I enjoyed doing this video, and I'm definitely gonna do a part 2. I also wanna try new products. I've been using those products now for 3 years. It's been doing wonders. Everybody's always complimenting my hair. That's one of the things that I get complimented the most. So I wanted to share that with you guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please press the thumbs up. If you haven't subscribe, hit those notification bells so you can be aware of all of my latest stories. Don't ever forget to love each day.